Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best steam cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to deep clean your floors, tackle grout, or freshen up your furniture, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Bissell Steam Shot Omni Reach, an affordable and compact solution for steam cleaning enthusiasts. This handheld steam cleaner is the budget pick in our roundup, priced at just $41.99, and it's perfect for quick and targeted cleaning tasks. Despite its smaller size, it delivers high-pressure steam at over 215 degrees Fahrenheit, making it effective for cutting through grease and grime in kitchens, bathrooms, and even on windows. The design is lightweight and highly portable, with an ergonomic handle that makes extended use more comfortable. It features a 10-ounce water tank that heats up in under 3 minutes, providing up to 10 minutes of continuous steam. The 16-foot power cord is a standout feature, allowing you to reach farther without needing to replug constantly. Its 10 included tools offer versatility for a range of tasks, from cleaning grout to steaming fabric. However, this cleaner is best suited for smaller tasks or spot cleaning, rather than heavy-duty jobs. It doesn't have the steam intensity or water capacity for prolonged use, and some users mention occasional leakage if not filled carefully. Overall, the Steam Shot Omni Reach is a fantastic choice for anyone on a budget who needs a quick, chemical-free cleaning tool for smaller areas. Coming in at number 4, the Grout pressurized handheld steam cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool priced at $47.49. With a sleek blue design and a compact form, this steam cleaner is perfect for those looking for a lightweight yet potent solution. It heats up in just 3 minutes and delivers steam at 230 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for tackling stubborn grime on tiles, upholstery, or even car interiors. This model comes equipped with 12 accessories, including multiple nozzles and brushes, to handle a variety of surfaces and cleaning scenarios. The 13.1-foot cord adds convenience for larger spaces, and the 350-milliliter tank provides up to 15 minutes of continuous steam. One of its standout features is the integrated safety lock, which ensures that steam is only released when you want it, a great addition for households with curious kids or pets. On the downside, while the Grout excels at versatility, it may not be the best choice for users looking for heavy-duty cleaning or prolonged use, as the water tank requires frequent refilling. Still, for under $50, this steam cleaner offers a great balance of power, portability, and safety, making it perfect for everyday household cleaning tasks. At number 3, we have the Grout pressurized handheld multi-surface natural steam cleaner, priced at $49.99. This steam cleaner is designed for versatility and convenience, making it an excellent choice for homeowners who need a reliable tool for a variety of cleaning tasks. With 1,050 watts of power, it heats up in just 3 minutes and provides 230 degrees Fahrenheit of pressurized steam for 8 to 12 minutes. Making it effective for cleaning floors, grout, car interiors, and upholstery. The Grout comes with a 12-piece accessory kit, including multiple brushes and nozzles, ensuring you have the right tool for every job. Its lightweight design, only 3.9 pounds, and 9.8-foot power cord allow for easy maneuverability, even in hard-to-reach areas. The ergonomic handle reduces hand strain, making it comfortable to use for extended cleaning sessions. Additionally, the 350-milliliter tank is large enough to reduce frequent refills, though it's still compact enough for portability. While this steam cleaner is powerful and versatile, it's worth noting that some users have reported difficulty with opening the safety cap immediately after use due to steam pressure. However, with proper handling, this is a minor inconvenience. Overall, the Grout is a well-rounded steam cleaner that offers excellent value for its price, particularly for multi-surface cleaning. In second place is the Grout handheld steam cleaner, a powerful and high-capacity machine priced at $79.99. This steam cleaner is designed for heavy-duty cleaning tasks, boasting a 2500 WH motor that generates steam at 3 bars of pressure. It heats up in just 15 seconds and can reach up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit, making it highly effective for stubborn grime, grease, and even bedbugs. The standout feature of the Gribulage is its massive 1.6-liter water tank, which allows for up to an hour of continuous cleaning without the need for frequent refills. The adjustable, handle-controlled steam output provides 3 levels of steam intensity, giving you complete control over your cleaning tasks. Its 16 included accessories ensure versatility, whether you're cleaning car engines, furniture, grout, or windows. The compact design, along with a 4.92-foot spray hose and a 6.56-foot power cord, makes it easy to maneuver indoors and outdoors. While this model is impressive in power and capacity, its larger size and weight, 4.85 pounds, may not be ideal for users seeking a lightweight portable solution. Still, its exceptional performance and extended cleaning time make it a top choice for deep cleaning and heavy-duty tasks. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Waitbird multipurpose powerful steamer, the premium option in our lineup at $99.99. This steam cleaner offers unparalleled performance and versatility with 248 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature steam and 21 accessories to handle virtually any cleaning task. Whether you're deep cleaning floors, tackling grout, or refreshing carpets, the Waitbird has you covered. With a 1.08-liter water tank, this steam cleaner provides up to 45 minutes of continuous steam, making it perfect for larger cleaning projects. The 5-minute heat-up time is quick for its size, and the child safety lock adds an extra layer of protection for households with kids. The 21 included accessories range from nylon and brass brushes to microfiber mop pads, ensuring you have the right tool for every surface. While this model is slightly heavier, 9.97 pounds, its robust build quality and ergonomic design make it easy to use. The Waitbird is ideal for homeowners who need a reliable, high-performance steam cleaner for a variety of tasks. Its combination of power, accessories, and safety features makes it the clear winner in this roundup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy cleaning, and see you in the next video.